I think it's fundamentally important because it gives us a linkage back to home, to Waitangi. You've got Te Raranga Whānui performing, and then Ngāori, so it's kind of full with kapahaka. It's really good to see kapahaka starting to gain a bit of traction.
I'm Ross Grove, I'm the Mayor of Holroyd. I'm delighted to be here today. We've had this event for 7 years. We really value the contribution and the culture that it brings to Holroyd, and this event just keeps getting bigger every year.
Beautiful. Plenty going on. Good sounds, man.
Yeah. Get some food?
No. The lines are too long. Everyone wants some.
We're the company, we're a band from Sydney, and we're getting up to support the Waitangi Day, and got our new single Shoot Baby, which we got funded from our fans and our friends and our family. Yeah. So it should be interesting, it'll be good, yeah.
Hot. Nah, it's awesome. Awesome to see all the whānau out.
It's good to just see everyone come together and celebrate Waitangi Day all together.
Every tribe comes together and they celebrate their Māoriness.